Buttermilk at Walmart. Boy, that red dog in the pickup truck sounded good.
Oh, it's rough out there, 454. It's rough out today.
Hey, red dog in the pickup truck. Got it going on out there, big brother. I'm just letting you know. Alright, red dog in the pickup truck, I'll get out of your way and let you do your thing. You're sounding good out here at Walmart. Red dog in the pickup truck. You're 001 Mobile getting up. I see cornbread. I see you, cornbread. Hey, number 5 in the swamp, sounding good at Walmart. Number 50001 with the wave.
Where are you? 001. Where's it bump down to? 001, number 5, backside in the swamp.
Bye, number 5. You're doing your thing in the swamp, no doubt about it. Number 5, thank you for stopping in at Walmart. Have a good day. Number 5, you're 001 out here in the Walmart parking lot with Grizzly Bear. Say hello to number 5, Grizzly. He thought he'd say hi to you there. Hey, 5, take care. You're 001 Mobile. Goddamn. Hello, 625 in the Magnolia. I hear you in the Walmart parking lot. 625 Magnolia. You're 001 waving. Hey, Rogers on that 625. Well, I want to thank you for stopping in at Walmart out here. At least I know somebody else in the mag can hear my old weak mobile out here. Hey, 625, listen up. 001 with the horn out here in the Walmart parking lot, cruising with my dog Grizzly Bear. And we just taking the back. Hey, 625 001, got up. I appreciate you letting me know we're making some noise out there in your neighborhood, no doubt about it. Hey, have a good day now. Thank you for pulling into Walmart out here in Southern Cal. You're a 001 Mobile getting up.
Well, I say, man, you're doing that deal in Northwest Alabama. Take care, my friend. Catch you later on. Okay, Bob. This week we said that now. I'm getting. Hello, Mr. Snake Doctor. Let me wave at you, are you?
Hello, Cherry Bomb. We waving at you too there, no doubt about it. Mr. Cherry Bomb, thank you for pulling into Walmart too. And I'm putting your name on that Walmart Hall of Fame. You're 001, just getting on up.
I will stay right here and come in a little bit, and then I might get out of here. Where are you, Red? 001.
Oh, give me back my microphone, Grizzly Bear. Doggone dog took my mic away from me there. Hey, have a good day. 001, you're a senior citizen in the Walmart Mobile. Just getting on up. Alright, you be back quiet. I'm going to be quiet too there. I'm going to sit out here and listen. I got a lot of noise coming in the parking lot there. Man, sometimes it makes it rough. So I'm just going to kick back and turn the volume up and see what I hear. 001, you're Walmart Mobile. Getting up. Bye, 625. Have a good day. You're 001 station. Got up.
Hey, 001, cornbread gonna wave and get back out of your way.
Waving at you there, cornbread, no doubt about it. Cornbread, 001 with the wave.
Alright there, 001, I'm waving back at 317, I know I hear you. I wanted to talk more this week, but them boys in Alabama has been chasing me.
Somebody give my dog a bone. Anybody got a bone out there I can give my dog Grizzly Bear? Come on, Grizzly Bear needs a bone. I'm going.
317, I heard you both times you said that.
One little, two little, three little mud ducks. One little, two little, three little mud ducks.
You think it'll be all these 308? You think I'm gonna survive? I thought it was 3 little mud ducks. You just want to run Alabama.
Bring them on out here to Walmart. My dog likes to eat mud ducks. My dog likes to eat those mud ducks. Make your feet